Hey guys, Legoreviewerman here. Today I'm just going to be reviewing my brand new custom Lego RV, and plus this is a double video. I'm also doing a review on my new boat. So, let's get to it. So, it's a gigantic gray stripe. And see, in there is a window. And some lights. And this is Brick Boy's 518 design for an Isuzu N-Series record truck. I just changed the cab up a little. Like I put this black piece right here to make it look more realistic and aggressive lights. And there are more lights on the back here. Tail lights, turning signals, and backup lights, and hitch. There's a hitch down there. Storage compartment, and then you can hang the awning on this. And air conditioning unit. And the other side is a compartment down here, and there's also one right there. And first there's a door here. It'll open up, close. And let's go to the inside of the cab. Before we do that, there are some lights on the other side. But so a little minifigure I have in there. Just a plain old custom guy. A chair, steering wheel, and a lever. Then the roof will just slip tight back on 8 pegs altogether. 2 on these gray pieces, both sides, just 1, and then 6 along the windshield. So onto the big part. Just take the air conditioning unit, snap that off, and then you can tear this part off and connect them. But the inside is like I think you call it a queen bench. And sink, the water comes out of that little piece there and into these 2 drains. Table, and then there's a lady sitting there. A bed, air conditioned. And all the way down here, there is a little boy playing his DS. I call him Little Red Sox Boy. He's wearing a Red Sox cap and a Red Sox shirt and some jeans. He has a white DS. And when you open up the door, here's a blue step. Close that. Put the roof back on. Onto the boat. The little thing to attach the hitch. And then this thing here, it'll stop the boat from going into the truck. You take the boat off. Wheels. And then the boat just sits on this part here. And the reason it has the slanted part on the back, when the boat is on there and you need to push it off, keep pushing and pushing, it'll go down the slanted part. Just fell over. the bottom. Okay, so here is the boat itself. It's got some stickers. And a light, not a light, window. And these are lights. There. And here, but that's a window. And then it's a red and white stripe there. And on the other side. And 2 cups, steering wheel, and a chair. And stand some figures up here, have a party. And see this handle here? Take it, lift up, and the roof comes off, and some lights on the bottom. And if you see here, there's a refrigerator. Nothing in it. Still need to put some things in there. Get that out of the way. So lamp, right there, the yellow piece, and on the table, a chair. That's a weight, actually, for exercising. And a bed. And a TV, if you can see that. Looks a lot like a computer, I think that's what it is, but still. You can use your imagination for anything. Oh, sorry, I forgot something. Something just broke off. Let me fix that. There it is. Oh, come on. Does everything keep breaking today? Alright, there we go. That helps it float. And then you can stand somebody here to, like, fish. Not on the railing. There's, you can't really see, but right here, you can stand some people. Well, a person. And something to help it float. And this boat does actually float. And when you slide it back on the trailer, I'll show you. See, it'll hit right there and stop it from going into whatever's pulling. So now I will show you the entire thing put together. Let me just sit the camera against the boat here. Oh darn. Sorry about that. Let me just attach the trailer. You don't really need to see the boat on it. Okay, there we go. Now I'll put the boat on. Alright. There's the entire thing connected. So, I hope you enjoyed this video. And please rate, comment, subscribe, and later.